Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2016 Chrysler 200 Limited. This is a 5-passenger sedan in gray, and under the hood you'll find a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder driving on 17-inch wheels. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a moment. Like I mentioned, this Chrysler does have a proximity smart key system, so if you have your key fob in your pocket, you can press the button on the door handle to lock the vehicle. And to unlock it, it's easy as putting our hand inside. On top of the door here, you have your power locks, windows, and power adjustable side mirrors. On the bottom, you have some storage space. Next to the door, you have your different lighting options as well as your trunk button. And this Chrysler 200 is equipped with black cloth seating. And on the bottom, you have your power seating adjustment buttons. To start it up, just push that brake in and press the engine start button right next to the wheel there. And we're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel here. You have this cluster, and this will help you navigate through your multi-information display. Underneath that, you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. And on the right side, you have your cruise control. Moving on to our screen here, right now we are on radio. If we go ahead and press media and go source, you can see you have USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth options. If we go into climate, here you can control your driver and passenger heated seats. Moving down to our climate control system, you got this nice smooth turning dial for your intensity, and your temperature options are right next to it. Underneath that is your gear selector. It is this circle and your electronic parking brake. We have two cup holders behind this, and this piece does slide back, giving you access to some storage underneath here as well as a USB and auxiliary, and this is where you'll find your 12-volt outlet. In the back here we have some storage space on the bottom side of the door, just like the driver's side. And of course we are continuing with the black cloth seating. If we move into this under here, we can pull this piece down, giving you access to two cup holders and a little armrest, and we can also open this up. You got some storage space in there. And these seats do fold down. All we got to do is just pull on this tab, and that'll give you access to your cargo. To open up, just press and hold that trunk button on our key fob, and that'll open for us nice and easy. Taking a look inside, you can see that this Chrysler provides a huge amount of cargo space. And of course, like I mentioned, the rear seats do fall down, and that'll give you that extra bit of room. You can also lift this bottom piece up, giving you access to your spare tire in case one ever goes out on you. Taking a last look at our 2016 Chrysler 200, once again, some of the great features we'll find on this vehicle includes your proximity smart key system, driver and passenger heated seats, and Bluetooth capabilities. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.